Can you get married while on a B2 visa if you want to return home afterwards? Legally, there is nothing wrong with getting married while you are in the United States on a visitor's visa, B2 visa, right? If you return home at the end of your allowed stay. If you haven't yet applied for the B2 visa and your marriage is to a US citizen or a green card holder, you could have an uphill battle convincing the officer at the US consulate that all you want to do is get married and then leave, right? Almost no one succeeds in entering and then applying to adjust their status if their US spouse is a US green card holder, not a citizen. That's because of the long waits for available visas that arise from annual limits in the category F2A for spouses and minor children of green card holders and high demand. But that doesn't stop people who don't understand from trying, right? Which again means a U.S. consular officer is unlikely to approve a B2 visa for the purposes of that person to enter the United States and get married. And even if you do succeed in obtaining a B2 visitor's visa from the United States consulate, or you already have a B2 visa in your hand, the border or airport government official from the CBP who greets you upon U.S. entry might not believe your intentions. The officer may exercise expedited removal powers to deny your U.S. entry and send you home. That would put an order of removal on your record, preventing your return to the United States for several years. Given these risks, the safest bet is for foreign nationals engaged to U.S. citizens to obtain a K-1 fiance visa for travel to the United States. It takes longer than a B2 visa, but the entry will be a little more easier. And if you change your mind and decide to settle in the United States after the marriage, you will have the legal right to apply for adjustment of status. Now, call the law offices of Stephanie Amblin today so that we can assess your case a little bit more further and obviously find out what would be the best route for you to take on this case.